How to solve for A and B in this equation? A plus B is equal to 14. AB is equal to 60. Solution. A plus B is equal to 14. Let's call this equation 1. AB is equal to 60. Let's call this equation 2. Then from equation 1, A plus B is equal to 14. B is equal to 14 minus A. Let us call this equation 3. Then from equation 2, AB is equal to 60. A bracket 14 minus A, which is B here, is equal to 60. Let's open the bracket. A multiplied by 14. This is 14A minus A multiplied by A. A square is equal to 60. And this is minus A square plus 14A minus 60 is equal to 0. If you divide all through by minus 1, this is A square minus 14A plus 60 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let's solve this using quadratic general formula. A is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC over 2A. And from this equation, A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 14, C is equal to 60. A is equal to minus bracket minus 14 plus or minus square root of minus 14 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 60 over 2 multiplied by 1. A is equal to 14 plus or minus square root of minus 14 square, that is 196 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 60, that is 240 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. A is equal to 14 plus or minus square root of 196 minus 240, that is minus 44. Then over 2. A is equal to 14 plus or minus, this square root of minus 44 can be written as square root of 4 multiplied by 11 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. But square root of 4 is equal to 2. Then square root of minus 1 is equal to I. Then this can be written as A is equal to 14 plus or minus 2I square root of 11 over 2. A is equal to, this is 2 bracket 7 plus or minus I square root of 11 over 2. These two cancel these two. A1 is equal to 7 plus I square root of 11. Then A2 is equal to 7 minus I square root of 11. These are the values of A1 and A2. To solve for B1 and B2, From equation 3, b is equal to 14 minus a. b1 is equal to 14 minus a1 is 7 plus I square root of 11. b1 is equal to 14 minus times 7. This is minus 7 minus times plus it becomes minus, then I square root of 11. b1 is equal to 14 minus 7. This is 7 minus I square root of 11. Then b2 is equal to 14 minus 7 minus I square root of 11. b2 is equal to 14 minus 7 plus I square root of 11. b2 is equal to 7 plus I square root of 11. This is the value of b2. Therefore, our final answer are a1, b1 is equal to 7 plus I square root of 11, 7 minus I square root of 11. Then a2, b2, this is equal to 7 minus I square root of 11, 7 plus I square root of 11. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation a plus b is equal to 14, ab is equal to 60. Let's consider this when a is 7 plus I root 11 and b is 7 minus I root 11. We have 7 plus I root 11 plus 7 minus I root 11 must be equal to 14. This cancel this. Here we have 7 plus 7 must be equal to 14. 7 plus 7, this is 14 is equal to 14, which is true. Now let us consider this. AB is equal to 60. Then we have 7 plus I square root of 11 bracket 7 minus I square root of 11 must be equal to 60. 7 times 7, this is 49, minus 7 times I root 11, this is 7I root 11, plus I root 11 times 7, this is 7I square root of 11. Then I root 11 multiplied by minus I root 11, this is minus I square multiplied by square root of 11 square must be equal to 60. This cancel this. We have 49 minus bracket I square is minus 1 multiplied by this cancel this. We have 11 must be equal to 60. This is 49 minus times minus 1 times 11. That will be plus 11 must be equal to 60. 49 plus 11. This is 60 is equal to 60, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.